Lynx is the dad. I just put 3 of his sons in here. Lynx is really fat and out of breath. Trying to keep up with these guys, and they're all running around. This one here is Star Wars Pride, followed by Star Wars Demo. There's Hank. Of course, the old man cannot keep up with his kids.